So today the question is, do I need more power? Well, it's not really a question whether I need more power. It's really a question of, do I want more power? Do I need more power? Do I care about spending money on power that I either want or don't need? So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. So I've been looking into a few enhancements to my Chieftain. One involves changing the cams out, which I've looked at different cams. Some of the dyno results from the cams to try to determine roughly what I could expect. Some of the side effects of putting cams in a 2016 Chieftain, and some of the things I have to be careful for with adding cams that have a lot more power. So I'm trying to weigh the cost of what it might cost me compared to just pulling it up and putting the 116 kit in my Chieftain. Yes, you heard that right. I'm getting very tempted to just spend money and put a 116 engine big bore kit in my Chieftain. One of the reasons is it seems like either I'm not going far enough by putting a cam and I'd have to change the valve springs, or the other one is I start pushing the engine closer to what appears to be some of its limits. So I'm not sure how comfortable I feel pushing the engine to its oh look, duckies. Hello, ducky. Oh, they didn't run in front of you and get squished. Now, I actually would not want to hit the duck. I don't know what happened with the bike, but I think that would be a little bit cruel. So I'm glad they stayed on their side. Anyways, back to what I'm talking about. More power. So, in my quest for more power, I've been weighing the pros and cons of different cams. Some of the things that I might have to replace, or should replace, as in valve springs, clutch springs, because if you get too much power going to the clutch, it can start slipping and wear out premature, and no one likes being premature. I just had to say that. Anyways, so with the different things I either would have to change off the bat or be prepared to change or deal with, I started looking at the 116 kit thinking, well, it comes with new valve springs, so I don't have to worry about that. New connecting rods, so if I start hitting 105 horsepower or more and I'm actually aggressive on the bike, that the connecting rods won't be an issue. So in the process of doing the 116, I would get the valve springs that are upgraded and the connecting rods which are upgraded, besides the 116 stage 3 cams, which you can only get with the 116 kit. And that cam sounds like it's just a tad friendlier on the bike than the Lloyd's 585 cams, so you won't get quite as much power. So, but being a bike that I want to take on long trips, I'm trying to make sure that I don't decrease the durability of the bike either. So I actually went to the dealer today and priced out the 116 kit with installation, and now I'm going to contemplate over the next few days on the tolerance I have for the price. So it's really a matter of, do I really want to put that much more money into this bike because I've already sunk enough, and how much do I want to be able to hit that throttle and feel more torque. One of the things with my bike is I do have a Bassani true dual exhaust, and true dual exhaust on these bikes does sort of cut back on your low end torque, which I have not noticed. So if there's a drop in low end torque since putting this true dual exhaust on my bike, maybe you can see it on the dyno, because I sure as hell can't feel it. So when I get the 116 kit, if I do, I probably won't quite have the low end torque. It'll just be probably nothing that I will notice, but if you put it on a dyno, you probably see that I don't quite have the low end torque that most 116s do. Now on the top end with the true dual exhaust, I actually might be better because it's a little more freer flowing. So I just have to sort of realize that, yeah, I'm sacrificing the low end a little bit and may gain on the top end, but I went to the True Dual exhaust for the Flamethrower exhaust, so the flames come out even. So I understood that when buying the exhaust, that it may be something that is going to be an issue or not an issue. My honest opinion is, I don't think I could tell by the seat of my pants. So I'm not really too worried about that part. It's just, do I want to spend the money on the bike? Compared to how much, you know, you lose your money lots of ways, you know, in life, and wait for this and wait for that. So we will just have to see. Yeah. Glad you wanted to turn off here. Go. So is that enough power? And the other question, will the Chieftain actually produce larger flames out of the tailpipes with the 116 kit? And that was a stinky ass skunk. I don't know if you guys saw that laying on the road, but boy, that guy was stinking. Oh, I'm dazed and confused. I'm skunked out. So if you liked the video, hit that like button and subscribe. Later.